Have you ever looked at all the cryptocurrencies listed and wondered, what's the difference between a coin and a token? Aren't they basically the same thing? It's a common question, but the answer is much simpler than you might think. Let's break it down. So what's the difference between a coin and a token? First, let's cover coins. A coin is a digital currency that operates on its own blockchain. Think of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Their main purpose is to act as a medium of exchange or a store of value. Bitcoin is often seen as digital gold, and Ethereum's coin, Ether, is the native currency used to pay for transactions on the Ethereum network. Now let's look at tokens. A token is a digital asset built on an existing blockchain, like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Tokens can serve many purposes, including utility tokens, which can give you access to a specific service. Stablecoins, like Tether USDT, which are pegged to fiat currencies, keeping their value steady. And security tokens, which represent ownership of real-world assets, like shares of a company. The difference between coins and tokens in the crypto world can also be explained when compared to other real-world examples. Imagine the following scenario in a theme park. A coin is like the money you use to buy tickets, food, or souvenirs anywhere in the theme park. It's accepted everywhere and used for everyday purchases. A token, on the other hand, is like a special ride pass or VIP ticket. It's for a specific purpose, giving you access to a certain ride, roller coaster, or exclusive event within the theme park. Both are valuable, but serve different roles for value exchange. The coin is the foundation for general use, while the token is a special perk that gives you extra privileges or access to unique experiences. Together, they function to make the whole theme park experience complete. So how do coins and tokens differ as investments? Coins like Bitcoin and Ether are often considered long-term investments. They have their own blockchains and are the foundation of their networks. The coin's value can grow as more people use these networks. For instance, Bitcoin has seen significant value increases as more people adopt it for storing wealth. Tokens, on the other hand, tend to be more project-specific, and as a result, often have higher volatility. Their value depends on the success of the platform or service that they're tied to. For example, Uniswap's Uni token is valuable only if Uniswap's decentralized exchange continues to grow and attract users. But if the platform faces competition or loses popularity, the token's value could drop. So now you know the fundamental differences between coins and tokens. Understanding their investment potential and how they function is essential for any crypto investor or trader. If this video helped clear things up, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto King for more easy to understand crypto insights. See you next time.